Hi, welcome back to the Frank Walker Law Podcast, where we talk all things criminal defense and personal injury in Western Pennsylvania and Northern West Virginia. Today, again, we're going to go through some frequently asked questions, so let's go back to the list and see what we have here. Oh, what to do when stopped by police? And then here's a question that's near and dear to my heart because I have two teenage daughters, and I tell them all the time, your number one job when you get stopped by police is to get home. However you have to do that, that's what you have to do to get home. That's your goal. So if it's yes, officer, no, officer, yes, sir, no, sir, yes, ma'am, no, ma'am, show license and registration, do whatever you need to do to get home. Don't be trying to reach for anything, reach for your phone to start recording, asking, why did you stop me? You had no right to stop me. You know who my dad is.
You know who my father is?
What? Mother didn't tell you?
You can't do this. I'm going to have your badge.
I'm not stepping out.
That's a stupid reason to go to jail.
Your job is to get home. There's no need for you to start arguing on the side of the road. Very few arguments, if any, have been won on the side of the road at 2 o'clock in the morning.
You didn't tell me why you're bringing me in the car.
Because you were going to jail.
Simply because an officer's stopping you, asking you for license and registration. The more and more you're asking questions, it's increasing their suspicion of you that you're doing something wrong or you're trying to cover something up. Now, there are people who are going to argue with me, watch this video and say, nah, that's not right. I know my rights. Fight back.
Am I being detained?
Roll down the window a little bit and tell them you're not talking to cops.
I'm not legally getting out my vehicle when I haven't done anything wrong.
That works great on TV. But in real life, your job is just to get home. Answer the questions, take the ticket, sign the ticket that you accepted, meaning you acknowledge that you were here and this is you. Call an attorney, whether it's me or anyone else, go to court and fight it then. That's when you're fighting, saying, did you have this? Was everything calibrated? Did you have probable cause? Did you have reasonable suspicion? What legal justification did you have to pull me over? Why did you order me out the car? How did you feel like your officer's safety was in danger right then? How was I resisting? All those questions could be asked and answered at the appropriate time. And that appropriate time is not on the side of the road at 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning. Now, all of a sudden, you made all these arguments, you acted a fool. Now, instead of a just simple traffic ticket or a simple speeding ticket, now it's resisting arrest.
Put your hands behind your back.
It's disorderly conduct. If you've been drinking and they smell an odor of alcohol emanating from your person.
Keep going. She's sucking in. You gotta blow out like you're blowing up a balloon. Blow out, okay?
They're going to order you out the car. They're going to ask you questions, make you do field sobriety tests, and odds are you may find yourself in a position where now you're defending, instead of a speeding ticket or a traffic ticket or a simple moving violation, now you're defending a DUI, a driving under the influence. Or a reckless driving citation, or they search your car.
The sergeant's going to do a inventory search of the vehicle. Is there anything of value in there?
No, there's a bunch of trash.
And they find something that they would not have been in a position to ordinarily obtain simply because or but for your actions that heighten their suspicion that something else was going on. Again, that is my position. And I believe all the attorneys or many attorneys would agree with that. I believe many parents would agree with that. As a parent and as an attorney, my advice to you is to simply get home. That's your only job. Remain calm, remain respectful, don't try to reach for anything, no sudden movements, and fight about it when you get home.
If you follow these simple pointers, you probably won't get your ass kicked by the police.
Any questions, always give us a call, 412-532-6805, or visit us online at frankwalkerlaw.com.